Oo, nawawala ka sa tamang
On court number 6, men's doubles team number 2, we have Doro Carita and Mark Villar versus Rico Peperino and Lanson. On court number 6, men's doubles team number 2, we have Doro and Matt versus Rico and Lanson. Please proceed to court number 6.
Oops!
Bastos! $16.18.
Eh, kaya nila yan.
Kaya nga eh, pero dapat lamang sila.
On court number 2, 16 under Rose number 2, Zachary William and Ethan Thomas versus Dave and Brooke Silva. Zachary William and Ethan Thomas, this is your second call. For court number 2.
Ah! Salag pa!
On court number 10, men's team minus
Tricklingin ba? Tricklingin.
we have Vladimir Cruz and Jed Marcelo
Yeah.
versus Rinaldo Ino.
Pili. Kano sa Mangilat sa?
Again, court number 10, men's team minus number 5, Vladimir and Jed versus Ronaldo and John. Please proceed to court.
Ah!
Stage 1. Stage 1.
Samo. Sakot sila.
Court number 5, men's doubles team double 1, we have Gianluca Rojas versus Ricky Garcia and Los Suarez. Again, court number 5, men's doubles team double 1, we have Jeffrey Lennon versus Ricky and Joy.
Relax na. 22. Yan, dapat tawagan na nila yung 5 points.
On court number 4, 16 under Rose bracket 2, last call for Zachary Vega and Ethan Thomas. Last call for Zachary Vega and Ethan Thomas for court number 4, 16 under Rose bracket 2.
Langit ka dyan.
On court number 9, men's doubles F bracket 1.
Ano ba ni Judah yung ating partner dati? Ano ba natin siya doon sa kasiklis?
Again, on court number 9, men's doubles F bracket 1, we have Larry and Charles.
Hirap walang lines pa. Sa final siguro.
On court number 4, 16 under Rose bracket 4, last call on Minio and Alvin James for 16.
Ah! Oops!
Last call for Sabrina
Ikaw lang na ikaw.
Ano? Injury ka.
number 4, 16 under Rose bracket 4. Last call.
Pag ikaw yun, boss. Pag ako muna.